Finally, we're getting ready to a real first launch of the Starship after several delays. Get ready to witness history in the making as SpaceX prepares for its highly anticipated first orbital launch of the Starship. However, Elon Musk has said he is not sure the first orbital launch will be successful. Successful or not, the first attempt at an orbital launch is a groundbreaking moment that represents a giant leap forward in developing reusable spacecraft, opening up new possibilities for cost-effective and sustainable space travel. So join us as we count down to the first orbital launch of the Starship and witness a new chapter in the history of space exploration. As one of the leading companies in the aerospace industry, SpaceX has already revolutionized space travel with its Falcon rockets and Crew Dragon capsule. But the Starship project takes things to a whole new level. This fully reusable spacecraft is designed to take us further into space and lay the foundations for colonizing other planets. If everything goes according to plan, SpaceX's massive new Starship vehicle could launch on its first ever orbital test flight in just over a month. That's right, we're talking mid to late April for what promises to be an epic mission, lifting off from the company's Starbase facility in South Texas. So, what is the Starship exactly? This game-changing spacecraft comprises a giant first-stage Super Heavy booster and a 50-meter upper-stage spacecraft known as Starship. Both vehicles are designed to be fully and rapidly reusable, and SpaceX's next-gen Raptor engine powers both. Sure, Starship has flown before, but only on short hops that reached a maximum of 6 miles above the Earth, and those were just upper-stage prototypes sporting 3 or fewer Raptors. This upcoming test flight, however, is the real deal. Elon Musk said Starship has a 50% chance of success on its debut orbital flight. He's confident SpaceX has an 80% chance of reaching orbit this year alone. Starship is intended to evolve into a fully reusable launch and landing system designed for the Moon, Mars, and beyond trips. Musk has called Starship's reusability the holy grail of space for a good reason. It will make spaceflight more affordable to the average person. NASA is also involved with the Starship rocket. Although NASA has its sights set on the moon, and they're planning to use none other than SpaceX's Starship to get there, NASA has tapped SpaceX to develop a human landing system version of Starship with a whopping $4 billion contract. And as part of the deal, the company will need to demonstrate an unmanned test flight to the moon beforehand. But that's just the beginning. The real excitement is yet to come. During the upcoming Artemis 3 and 4 missions, Starship is set to play a critical role. In the third mission, the spacecraft will transfer astronauts from NASA's Orion spacecraft to the lunar South Pole and back. But it's the fourth mission that has us excited. Starship is expected to dock at a moon-orbiting space station, the yet-to-be-built Gateway, and ferry astronauts back and forth to the moon. It's the stuff of science fiction dreams, and it's becoming a reality before our very eyes. The Starship was initially introduced in 2012 as the Mars Colonial Transporter and later renamed the Interplanetary Transport System. The concept has undergone several revisions and design iterations. The final design of the Starship features a stainless steel structure and a heat shield made from heat-resistant tiles, allowing the spacecraft to withstand the extreme temperatures experienced during atmospheric re-entry. And the milestones achieved throughout its development are nothing short of impressive. From the highly efficient and reusable Raptor engine, to rigorous tank and structural testing, to the crucial development of a robust heat shield, SpaceX has left no stone unturned in perfecting the Starship, and the prototype flights and tests have been nothing short of incredible. SpaceX has also gathered valuable data on vehicle performance and control during ascent, descent, and landing, from static fire tests to high-altitude flights to suborbital tests. As the first orbital launch of SpaceX Starship approaches, numerous preparations have been made to ensure the success of this ambitious endeavor. These preparations have been critical in laying the groundwork for a successful mission, from technical advancements to infrastructure development. SpaceX has gone above and beyond to refine and improve Starship's design based on previous test and prototype flight data. This includes modifying the vehicle's structure, propulsion systems, and avionics to enhance performance, reliability, and safety. But it's not just the Starship that's been getting an upgrade. The Super Heavy booster, a critical component of the Starship launch system, has undergone extensive testing to ensure it can provide the necessary thrust to lift the spacecraft into orbit. And a new launch facility, specifically designed to accommodate the Starship and Super Heavy booster, has been constructed at SpaceX's Boca Chica site in Texas. This state-of-the-art facility includes a launch pad, integration tower, and fueling systems, all of which have been designed and built to support the unique requirements of the Starship launch system. But the preparations don't end there. SpaceX has also worked closely with regulatory bodies, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, to obtain the necessary approvals and licenses for the launch. And to ensure the launch's impact on the environment is minimal, thorough environmental assessments have been conducted. The successful completion of the first orbital launch of SpaceX's Starship will have far-reaching implications for the company and the future of space travel. The primary objective of the first orbital launch is to put Starship and the Super Heavy booster to test in a real-world scenario. The mission will assess the vehicle's performance during takeoff, in-orbit maneuvering, re-entry, and landing. In addition, a successful mission will demonstrate the feasibility of the Starship design, opening the door for more ambitious and exciting tasks. But the significance of the first orbital launch goes far beyond proving the Starship's feasibility. The mission will provide a wealth of data, including telemetry, video footage, and sensor readings, which will be instrumental in refining the Starship design and improving the vehicle's reliability for future missions. The data collected will also help us further understand the challenges associated with long-duration space travel and the development of reusable spacecraft. This mission goes beyond just improving the Starship. A successful first orbital launch will challenge traditional approaches to space travel and inspire innovation within the industry. In addition, the fully reusable spacecraft has the potential to drastically reduce the cost of space exploration, opening up new opportunities for scientific research, commercial endeavors, and space tourism. It's a pivotal moment in our journey towards becoming a multiplanetary species. The first orbital launch of SpaceX's Starship is just the tip of the iceberg regarding the spacecraft's potential. With the project constantly evolving and improving, Starship will be at the forefront of revolutionizing space travel and exploration, expanding our horizons and taking us to new heights. Following the first orbital launch, SpaceX will continue refining and upgrading the Starship's design based on lessons learned from subsequent missions. These upgrades will focus on vehicle performance, reliability, reusability, and crew safety, ensuring that Starship remains at the cutting edge of space technology. The Starship's versatility and advanced capabilities make it suitable for various missions and applications, including satellite deployment, lunar and Mars missions, deep space exploration, space tourism, and commercial flights. Starship could transport astronauts, habitats, and equipment for sustainable lunar and Martian colonies, and the spacecraft's large payload capacity could revolutionize satellite deployment, making it more accessible to a variety of organizations and industries. Moreover, as SpaceX's Starship continues to advance and demonstrate its capabilities, the spacecraft is expected to play a vital role in collaborative efforts with other space agencies and private companies. These partnerships will accelerate the pace of spacefaring, opening up new possibilities and helping to realize our collective vision of a multiplanetary future.